the back supported in the chair. You're going to put your hands on their lower ribs. Okay? You can have them take a nice. What I'm going to do is take a nice deep breath in. You're going to look that way. You're going to cough. All right. Take a nice deep breath in and cough. And I'm pushing this way. All right. Again, deep breath in. So, very easy. I can't look that way, so you don't have to see the tools over there. In and cough. All right, and then at the end, I could actually quick stretch. Inhale, exhale, and breathe into my hands. Take a nice deep breath in, and exhale and cough. So you're pushing up and in. Okay. Okay, this one you're going to come on the side of the patient again. It's better if they're in a chair. You can put your hand right above the umbilicus, and the same thing. I want you to breathe into my hand. I want you to come that way and cough. Deep breath in. No, I'm going to move my hand.
Sorry.
Close up the chest.
Sorry.
Breathe out. Breathe into my hand. And cough. And you actually just want to cough. See how good it works? Okay, take it. Breathe in. And cough. Okay, look up at the ceiling. Break them out of the cough, right? All right, so you're just pushing up and in, right above the umbilicus. Okay. Lie down, please. Okay, now with this one, I don't have a pillow for you. I'm sorry. Okay, hand down. Okay, you're going to put your top arm right under their clavicles, and the bottom arm, forearm on their lower ribs. So as he's coughing, I'm pushing down this way onto his chest. Okay, so take a nice deep breath in and cough. Deep breath in and cough. So you're also doing this one. See how it's catchy. It's right. Look up at the birds. That's the old wives' tale. Look up at the birds actually works because it's opening the airways. Learn yourself. Face me though. You don't have to see that. Okay, so with this, the patient will have a pillow to support their head. For your pillow. Or either way. I want you to do it this way so you're not sharing. There you go. Bring it down this way. There you go. Bring it up a little more. No, keep your head straight and put your arm back. And learn how to lay down. Okay, so come towards me a little so you're not at the end of the table. So with this, okay, you're going to keep your hand placement. You're not going to leave hand placement with the patient. So here, you're just going to be sliding your hands back and forth over the shoulder. So you're stabilizing him here. You're going to push back. Okay, leave your hand down. That's good. Okay, you're going to have them take a nice deep breath in. You stabilize him. Take a deep breath in. And you're going to roll towards the table and cough. So are you pulling him here and you're pushing him here? Relax, relax, relax. Keep doing this. And he's coughing. Just one more. Inhale. Exhale and cough. Inhale. Exhale and cough. So I'm pulling him here into flexion and I'm pushing the hips back. Okay. On inhalation, I'm kind of stabilized. I don't really pull this much, but you don't want to compress the abdominal contents. So he's really neutral in the inhalation phase. Okay, take a deep breath in. All right, and you're pushing him back into the pelvis back, and you're pulling the shoulders forward. Cough. Okay. All right, that's a really good. That's probably the most efficient one. Come on, elbows. So that we can have a little aperture for this one. Okay, so the patient's prone on elbow. Now these are the ones that you teach them so that they can use these at home. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to look up at the ceiling, you're going to take a deep breath in, you're going to bend down towards the table and cough. What I tell you, relax. Okay, so you're going to look up, inhale, and exhale and cough. All right, so you hand placement. Okay, did you pick something up?
I was just saying it's kind of like, it's cool, we're good.
Okay, good. All right, so here I say, okay, inhale and exhale and cough. All right, inhale and exhale and cough. All right, and you do that until they get used to it. they have to get a good extension, and then flexion has to, it's for the expulsion phase, they have to really flex their necks down. All right, so that's that one. Long sitting. Still long sitting. Yeah, go that one. Yeah, gotta go that one. Come to the edge. Okay, move a little bit back. Okay, so the patient's here in long sit. Okay, you can tell them. Okay, look up at the ceiling. Inhale, and bend forward and cough. Okay. Inhale, and reach for your toes and cough. Deal with thunder. You okay? You want to cough? Yeah, I can hear what's ever in your throat. You sure? It is. Okay, so look up. Inhale, and now reach down for your toes and cough. You can do that. Now, if the patient can put their hands behind their head, put your hands behind your head. Coming up here, supporting him with my hips. Okay, deep breath in, look up at the ceiling, take a deep breath in, and bend down and cough. Inhale, exhale and cough. Inhale, exhale and cough. All right, you can even do 6 and 3. Okay, you can even do D1, D2, hands up. Okay, hands up to the side. Rotate, go to the ceiling, and bring them together and cross them and cough. All right, so D1 and D2, you could do that way also. Okay. That's that one. Short sit. Okay. Same thing. Okay. I want you to look up at the ceiling, take a deep breath in. I want you to listen first. Okay, look up at the ceiling, take a deep breath. When you bend forward, I want you to reach for the floor with your arms. Okay, look up at the ceiling, just like that. Deep breath in, and reach and cough. And up, and reach and cough. And the same thing, you can sit behind them with their arms, doing D1, D2 if you have to. Okay, and last one is on all fours. Okay, that one, they're giving Kenny again. Okay, so listen first. With this one, you're going to do, you're going to look up at the ceiling, you're going to take a deep breath, okay? And then when I tell you to, you're going to bend your head and you're going to sit down on your heels and really flex your neck. Okay, so come up. All right, so hand placement is on the hips and on the head. You're going to take a deep breath in and bend down and cough. Okay, come on up and bend down and cough. Okay, you didn't cough that last time. Right, now get down you go, there you go. All right, so back onto your heels. So as to incorporate other stuff with this also, you can incorporate trunks for strengthening. So I could resist him into extension and go up onto your all fours, look up at the ceiling, and resist him here. Bend down and cough. Bend down and cough. And you can do diagonals. Go up, inhale, bend down and cough. Okay, so you can resist going deflection, going into extension with them. So you can incorporate that into your treatment, aside from the fact that they use that at home to do cough techniques. Thank you. All right. Any questions with that? We will go over those in lab. So lab, you have to be able to see your chest, bring your stethoscope, bring blankets, pillows, towels, whatever you can. All right, so we'll see you.